Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to reveal to you how we can merge two or more images in photos or pictures on LibreOffice Draw in 2026. So let us dive into this. Head over to your project on LibreOffice Draw, insert an image by using this insert tab at the top, click into image and navigate to the file on your device to upload it in JPEG or PNG file format. Now once it has been added to your canvas, you can repeat the same with the second image using that method, or let me just copy that image and paste the second version here. And I would like to merge both of them. Now let me just get rid of that gap here so that they both make one merged image after that. So what you want to do is left click into the first one, press and hold left shift on your keyboard and select the second one with your left mouse. Release left shift on your keyboard, right click into any of these images, hover your mouse over shapes and choose merge. And now both have been merged into one image, as you can see guys, and that's how it works. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.